Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Perfectus.
Okay, Excellians, you're going to learn what that means in just a little bit. But for now, I am Miss Jessie. We are going to learn a little bit about the perfect system. Not so much a grammar lesson, but why it exists to begin with. Before that starts, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons below so you can learn all about what we're talking about. Now that you do understand a little bit about the perfect system from prior videos, let's take a little jaunt through philosophical and linguistic history so that we can better understand what the perfect tenses are all about. You're probably wondering why the perfect tenses are characterized as being perfect. After all, we usually think of perfection as that of which has no blemishes or flaws, right? So what on earth would a verb tense have to do with that? The word perfect is from the Latin adjective perfectus. As I said before,
Perfectus.
I don't say it right, they do. Which of course means perfect, but more importantly, also means complete. So something perfect is something complete. That's pretty confusing, right? I mean, what does perfection have to do with completeness? One of the best ways to understand how perfection and completeness are related is by considering the philosophy of the great ancient Greek thinker Aristotle, one of my favorites. Aristotle described things in the universe as being composed of both matter and form. Matter was potentiality, and form was actuality. Consider a piece of clay, which has the potential to become anything. We must form it into something, and when we do, the image in our minds of what the clay could be has become actualized. Well, Aristotle understood one being in the universe as full actuality, full form. It had no potential to become anything because it was already exactly what it should be. It was already perfect or complete. Can you imagine what this ancient Greek suggested was the only fully formed or actualized being in the universe? Any guesses? I think you guessed right. It's God. Aristotle argued that God, which he thought of very differently than we do today, was the only fully complete being in the whole universe. The concept of a divine being in Aristotle's philosophy has no flaws and no potential that has yet to be actualized. This makes it pretty easy to understand the relationship between perfection and completeness. A complete being is one that has nowhere to go, no way to improve. It has reached its zenith. Have you reached yours? And what might that mean anyway? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, and happy philosophizing, Excellians!